Hey everyone, Sarah the Catholic Homemaker here. Today I'm going to show you a great non-toxic way to clean your grout. Now first, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. We talk all about my Catholic faith here, homemaking, motherhood, and health. And also, you should hit the notification bell so you can get notified for all notifications when I post. I post Mondays at 12 noon, and hit the like button so that we can help this community to grow. First, you will need a drill with a scrub brush attachment. I will show a link to that video below. You could also use scrubbing brushes. That's a thin little brush you can get in between the tiles. This is toothpaste from Young Living that I'm using. It was actually given to me by my sister, but I don't feel comfortable using essential oils in my mouth or ingesting them, so I want to use it. Another alternative is baking soda and white vinegar. You could also use Branch Basics all-purpose cleaner. I have it in this bottle here. That's one of their old bottles. And you will also need a towel. Alright, here I am. I'm just going to use the toothpaste in between the tiles. And you will need a little cup of water to dip the brush into. And simply just start turning on the drill. And the drill is a much more efficient way of cleaning your grout than simply scrubbing it by hand. It can get kind of tiring holding the drill if you're doing it for a long time, but it is a lot less tiring than scrubbing everything by hand. Now, another alternative to this is a steam mop, and this is something I'm considering buying in the near future, just especially for maintenance cleaning. I've heard a lot of great things about steam mops, so I have my eye on one on Amazon, and hopefully there will be a good sale on Black Friday, so I'm kind of waiting out for that. But in the meantime, I decided to use this method because I just really didn't like how dirty it was in between the grout. And as I said before, I'm going to link to that other YouTube video showing how you can make this brush. It costs less than $5. I'm really hoping that this kind of cleaning would only be a once a year type of deal or even less, because this was a lot of work even with the drill. Okay, here's a better way actually of cleaning the floor. My husband was showing tilting the brush sideways, and it actually was less tiring using the brush this way. So I would highly recommend doing it this way instead of the other way I showed you. Both ways can work, but this one is a lot less work than going straight on. As you can see, it is much cleaner and brighter in between the tiles. It looks so much better and less dirty than before. I hope you guys find this method to be helpful, and definitely let me know in the comments below what you think if you've tried this method before. Until next time, may God bless you and your family. Bye!